how you doing? So, it is time to unpack a new keyboard. I have been trying different keyboards. I got this one for my birthday from my wife. I like the sound. It's nice clickety clackety. Unfortunately, the F keys suck ass. You want to press shift with an F key or control, you got to use the left side. Use the right side, it's some internal setting. That won't do. I use them a lot. Why? Because I like putting certain programs and macros and whatever on the F keys. Like instead of, for example, instead of going to my terminal with whatever mouse or launcher or whatever, no, I press F3. If I want a different terminal, I press shift F3 and so forth. You know, I have like categories on different F keys. I want like a simple text editor, F1, a different like Apple Notes, shift F1, things like that. Anyway, I'm digressing. So the other keyboard I tried was a Hall Effect keyboard from, it wasn't from Ajaz, it was from Attack Shark. It works mostly okay, but the software sucks. You try to assign keys, some work, some don't. It often forgets the lighting settings for some reason. You have to factory reset it constantly. Whatever. So I have a Wooting 80HE, and I love that thing. But I have like an office down here and an office upstairs. I like to game. The Wooting HE is pretty good for gaming. I want a keyboard I can work on. So I want one with arrow keys. So that's why this one. Why is it so chunky? Did not expect it to be so chunky. Hey, it's a chunky boy. I like the cover art on the box. Quite cool. Check it out. What's it all about? See that? It's made of like ASCII art and shit. Like, can you see it? Whoa. Let me zoom in on that. Yeah. Hey. I'm on vacation. It's kind of cool. So anyway. Oh, it comes with a case. I thought this version didn't come with a case. I thought you still had to buy it separately. That's noise. It's a bit dark, eh? Yeah? This better? Ooh, shiny. This boy's a honker, man. So I did order the premium bells and whistles version, meaning I got the zinc alloy. I wanted a hefty dude. I like this. Look at this. This is nice. If I can figure it out, there's a Velcro. There it is. So it comes with le câble. That's the câble. With USB-C to A adapter. For all the plebs that still need one of those things. With this. The famous Wooting postcard. Yes, visit Wooting in the Netherlands. Great fun. Whatever. Ah. Whoa! The weight on this thing. Motherfucker. This thing is a heavy, chunky boy. I'd say it's about 2 kilos at least, maybe a bit more. I have to do a little bit thing about the stabilizer on these. This. Yeah, anyway, put it on the desk. like it. I like it a lot. I think the first thing I'll do is put a little bit of foam under the space key. Otherwise, sounds good. Let's compare it to the 60HE. This is what I usually game on. This one's a little bit more tinny. So from that unscientific test, I don't know about you, but I can hear a difference. And I like it a lot more. This is a lot louder and not as... This feels cheaper. Wasn't cheap. Still love this. Love this for gaming. Let's see. These are good for getting work done as well. And why did I get a Wooting keyboard? Honestly, like 80% is just the software. How good it is to like customize. I love the like hold different keys down to do different things. It's just freaking great, man. It's cool software. It really is cool software, and it's been constantly getting work done. So improvements every time. Like I come back to it. I don't often change the settings, but when I do, it's like, oh, they added a little nice little tweak here and there. So nice noise. So let's pull in closer and compare the sizes real quick. So we have just a tad bit of more space on the right side here. About half a hand, maybe like 3/4 of a MX Master 3 mouse, something like that. So it's just slightly larger than the 60 version, but well, it has more height because we have a row of F keys. But like, there's a bit of arrow keys, like 3 keys maybe, you could say, wider. I'm gonna test this thing out a couple months, and then I'll post an update on how I like it. I'm still not getting over how... If someone comes in my house at night, I'm going to put this under my pillow because this is a murder weapon. Jeez. It is hard to convey how heavy this thing is. Like a normal keyboard, you know, you lift it with 2 fingers. Like, you do that with this. First of all, your fingers hurt and your freaking wrist is starting to strain. So, yeah. Who needs a knife when you have this? It's a chunky boy versus this plastic thing. Shiny. Anyway, enough of this ADHD infused bullcrap. Thanks for watching, if you did. Bye. So, forgot to mention, it also comes with some silicone feet that can raise the keyboard 6 or 10 degrees, whichever one you prefer. You slide out the normal one, put those in. What else is in here? You get some extra keycaps. What are these? You get some spare screws. You get a key puller. You get some extra switches. If you're wondering about the switches, I got the Lecker Linear 60. Did I? Yeah, didn't lie. It says so in the box. Bye.